Good day, I am Emily Runyan and I feel honored to have the opportunity to give a speech titled The Power of Data. Let's dive right in. Every day we generate 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. That's a 1 followed by 18 zero. But this isn't just number and spreadsheet. It's the fuel that drives modern industries. The question isn't whether big data is powerful. It's how we are using that power to reshape the world. Take healthcare for example. With big data, doctor can analyze massive set of patient record to predict disease before they occur. Algorithm powered by data are helping to detect conditions like diabetes, cancer, and heart disease early, saving countless lives. In business, companies are no longer question what customers want, they know. Big data allows business to study shopping habits, preference, and behavior to deliver personalized experience. Now consider cities. Big data help manage traffic flow, reduce congestion, and even improve public safety. For example, smart traffic system analyze real-time data to adjust stoplight and minimize delay. In cities like Singapore, data is used to predict and respond to urban challenges, making life smarter for residents. Even the fight against climate change benefit from big data. Scientists analyze environmental data to monitor deforestation, track carbon emission, and predict natural disaster like floods or wildfires. These insights give us the tools to exit before crises escalate. Big data is more than a buzzword. These are in transformative for us across industries, whether is healthcare, business, or environmental protection. It holds to the power to make our world smart, safe, and more impactful. But with great power comes great responsibility. It's up to us to harness big data ethical and ensure it drives progress for everyone. Thank you.